Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Chef Chop, and thanks for joining me for my first ever live cop video.
Hundreds, whoa, whoa, 20, 40, 80, whoa, whoa, I'm in my bag, jump in, go, hundred. I got a 40 on my waistband, yeah. Got the clip, I'm a waste man, yeah. Rich tags, got a taste, yeah. Slip it, product bag, let me smash real quick.
Now, I've had a lot of people ask me when I was gonna start a YouTube, so I'm glad I'm finally able to provide these videos for everybody to see. I have a ton of footage saved up, but for now, I'm just gonna be showing you guys my most recent cops, and hopefully I could be providing videos after every single release from here forward. Now, for those of you that don't know me, my name is Chef Chop, and I've been botting for a few months now. I've tried out every single bot under the sun, and I found some of the best ones, some of the best setups that work for every single release. Now, my goal with this series is not just to show you guys live cops, show you guys my setups, but it's to help those botters that are new to the industry get cooking real quick. And now hopefully I can shed some light for those of you out there that are just getting started. So right now, go to the comments, drop a comment, ask a question about anything about botting, and I'm gonna make sure to answer it for you. Now, if you're just getting started, I absolutely encourage you to join a cook group. If you don't know what a cook group is, it's pretty much a big chat where you get all the tools, you get the information that you need in order to bot. Things like links, drop times, drop dates. Not only that, but you get to talk to the other members, you get to talk to the owners, and ask them questions to get you cooking. Now, my favorite cook group and the one that's helped me out the most is SoFlo Supply. The owner is super dope, the members are super dope, and they really want to see you win. I'm gonna put a link for SoFlo Supply down in the description. Make sure to hit that and join their Discord. Now, when you do join their Discord, reach out to me, say what's up. My name is Chef Chop, and I'll be sure to help you out in there too. All right, y'all ready to see me cook? Let's go. Yo, thanks for joining me for the first ever Chef Chop live cop. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, drop a comment, let your boy know that you're here. Now I have a long list of bots that I own. Everything from Footsite bots to Shopify bots to Supreme bots to auto checkout bots to raffle bots. So I'm gonna try to mix it up for every single live cop. So make sure you're here for the next episode. Now, if you have a special request for me to use a certain bot, drop it in the comments and I might use it in my next live cop video. Once again, thanks for joining me for my first live cop video, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.